Hi, good evening. So I'm back with another topic. Today we are going to discuss another important topic of the world history. Right? We have discussed ample amount of topics which belongs to this Indian history, but now today we are going to discuss one of the important topic of the world history. Right? So basically, in world we are going to discuss about country which is a European country, which is one of the European country. France basically. So in France, I just want to discuss with you all about the French Revolution, right? So basically, we all are aware about that something like what is revolution. Basically, revolution का मतलब होता है क्रांति का आना, right? क्रांति लाना. So basically today we are going to discuss about the French Revolution, which happened in one of the European continent, right? So we are going to discuss about the reasons which are responsible for the this French Revolution. Why did this French Revolution basically happen? अभी होता क्या है कि 1774 में लुइस 16, we all know that he was the one who came on the throne of the France, right? He belongs to a Bourbon family. वो Bourbon family को belong करता है. वो 1774 में फ्रांस की गद्दी पे बैठता है as a king, right? At that time he was only 20 years, but he was married to an Austrian princess, Marie Antoinette, right? So when he sat on the thrones, उस टाइम क्या था कि जो रॉयल ट्रेजरी थी वो ऑलरेडी खाली थी, ऑलरेडी कर्ज में चल रही थी. बट देवर सेवरल कुछ there were many things happened during the time of the Louis 16 also, which were responsible for the emptying of the treasury of the king's court. Okay, so we are going to discuss about the reasons कैसे कैसे रॉयल ट्रेजरी खाली हुई. First thing, पहली चीज तो France was involved in a series of wars, so which was also one of the reason for the for declining financial resources of the France. Another thing, cost of maintaining an extravagant court, right? उन अपने कोर्ट को मेंटेन करने के लिए वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा खर्चा करते थे. That was also one of the reason for to be in debt. Then another thing, लुइस 16 के टाइम पे क्या हुआ कि France has basically helped 13 American colonies to gain the independence, right, from the Britain, right? Britain, basically that is what East India Company का rule India में भी set up हुआ था. So Britain has also made the America as a colony. So America की 13 colonies को independence France ने दिलवाई, right? So जिसकी वजह से जहाँ पे बहुत सारा पैसा खर्च हुआ, right, in the wars. Then another thing, अच्छा अभी क्या हुआ कि France गवर्नमेंट को they needed loan. They basically wanted money for all these things to happen. तो पैसे देने वाले जो lenders थे, they has also basically now they have also increased their interest rate. So अब उन्होंने interest rate ज़्यादा चार्ज करना शुरू कर दिया. तो फ्रांस